Hello, welcome to KH Motorcycles. My name's Steve, and today we're looking around the all-new 2025 Talaria Komodo. This is their newest model. It's got the biggest battery on it compared to the other two models, which you'll see in another video. So this is 32 kilowatts, comes out at about 43-ish brake horsepower. So plenty from a little electric bike that doesn't weigh a lot. Plenty of power in this, as I just said. It's got the 3 different riding modes, which you'll see on the digital display in just a moment. So you've got your eco, your sport, and your hyper. Hyper obviously being the most kind of powerful mode. So if we come up towards the display, I'll show you all the little features that are inside there. So starting wise on these is braking, and you press the start button just under here, and then you'll see there we've got eco mode. You press the mode again, you've got sport, then you've got hyper. As I said, hyper being the most kind of extensive mode. Hold down the power button. It'll then take you into all your data selection. So you can either exit, change little bits on this or the data on the bike. You've got your units, so you can either go miles an hour or kilometres. Your wheel size, so if you do play around with these, which a lot of people do, obviously if you change all the wheel size and put it in on here, and then automatically kind of decide on how your gearing needs to be in terms of power and stuff like that. All your kind of gear ratios, so again, you can play with that once you play around with your wheel sizes. There's plenty of customization to do with this. And then it'll tell you everything about the battery there. So at the minute it's at 103 volts and it's got a 28 capacity on it. So coming around the rest of the bike, at the front you're going to see that we've got fully adjustable front forks on this. These are the best forks that they have put on a Talaria to date. And then at the rear you've got a fully adjustable rear shock. So you can set this up to your weight, kind of your build and how you like to ride, depending whether you're going to use this on trails, want to go and do a little bit of messing around in, motocross track when they do the kind of electric days. So yeah, these are available from the Milton Keynes store. They are on a order only basis. We will not have these physically in stock, so if you are wanting one, please do call us. We can get it ordered in for you, not a problem at all. So that's it from me. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the social medias. Pop in the showroom to have a chat about the bikes, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.